Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's learn this dua of knowledge with root letters and also word breakdown. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi has root letters ra ba ba and it means oh my Lord. So this kasra means my. So it has three characteristics of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that Allah ta'ala is Khalik, creator, Malik, master, and Mudabbir, planner. Khalik, Malik, and Mudabbir. So creator, master, and planner. O my Lord, Zidni, Zid has root letters Zai, Ya, and Dal. We don't see Ya here, but it is present in the root letters because in Arabic alphabets, Alif, Waw, Ya, they are weak letters and sometimes they are not shown in the word. So Zid, it means increase. Ni means me or my. So this ya is called ya mutakallam, and this it means me or my, I. Zidni, increase me or increase my, ilma, knowledge. Ain, lam, mim, they are the root letters. It means knowledge. And this tanween, it shows that it is like common noun and it means Rabbi zidni ilma, O my Lord, increase me in knowledge. I hope you understand and you will learn all root letters and word breakdown. Allah Hafiz.